is our first annual onshore event here at our elastomer facility. The 2026-2027 fiscal year cycle is all about automation and what's going to get these drilling contractors to the next level.
This new Orion TD516 top drive is something that's going to change the market. This machine right here gives you 1,600 horsepower, 80,000 foot-pounds of torque at 104 RPM. This is our new TPK 2000E mud pump. Starts out at 8,500, upgradable to 10,000 PSI. You can get up to 140 strokes a minute, which gives you 1,000 gallons out of one pump. This is the first triple catwalk in the US. It decreases your casing run times up to 40%. It will decrease your rig up times and your drill pipe stand building times as well.
Very interested in the big catwalk, 96 foot. That's very interesting.
At this site, we can go from a raw chemical to a finished, fully tested product, all in-house without any outside help.
You see these things out on the field, but you don't have no idea how it's being made. The process that it takes actually to come up with that. It's just incredible, impressed.
What we've done recently over the last 2 to 3 years is develop in-house programs to certify other manufacturers' equipment. Having Bronco in-house underneath the HMH umbrella, they're our sourcing arm for non-traditional HMH parts.
We want to specialize in a complete rig component. So you can go from BOPs to mud pumps to drawworks to top drive components, all in one shop.
You actually see or get a feeling on where the parts go and how they have to work.
The guys here are pretty knowledgeable and providing good information for us.
HMH is here for onshore.